As news of sexual assaults on college campuses continue to make headlines here in San Diego, the governor signed a bill aimed at educating students about what consent really means. Fox 5's Alina Bovian is here now with the Yes Means Yes bill. Alina.
Andrew, good evening. Basically, the old stance of no means no is no longer enough anymore to protect students from rape. And for those two people who are having sex, there must be a clear yes before.
Hearing a stern answer, yes or no, it's very important.
A new California law states only a stern yes can mean yes to sex.
I think you just have to be direct and upfront, and sometimes she might be the one asking for it too, so it can go either way.
Governor Jerry Brown passed the law on Thursday requiring that college students who attend state-funded schools say yes before they have sex. Otherwise, the act could be investigated as rape by campus officials if a complaint is filed.
We want our students to really understand that sexual violence is unacceptable, and consent is one piece of that.
No means no, yes means yes.
SDSU students rallied in support of the Yes Means Yes policy last week in light of 3 recent sexual assaults reported around campus.
I think that the legislators wanted to make clear that just because they don't verbalize no doesn't mean that they're consenting to the activity.
Officials at Cal State San Marcos are also investigating an alleged rape from last week at the Quad Residence Hall. As a result, they've bumped up sexual assault awareness campaigns across campus to educate students about consent. But attorney Vikas Bajaj argues that the law is vague and may be difficult to enforce.
It doesn't really change things. In other words, it is still going to be a he said, she said thing, but there is an additional hook for the prosecution to hang their hat on, which means if there is not clear evidence of yes being given or consent being given in that way pursuant to this law, then prosecutions could run rampant throughout this jurisdiction.
The law also requires training for staff who handle rape cases.
There will be one more check and balance and one more investigatory step that is taken.
Several SDSU students, however, say the law sets good boundaries.
The majority of people on campus do have a good idea of what's acceptable and what's okay. I think sometimes that can be clouded in some situations.
You both have to have equal consent. That's what matters at the end of the day.
Now, the consent, according to lawmakers, can be nonverbal as long as it is explicit. Andrew, I'll send it back to you.
Very interesting change there. Alina Bovian in the newsroom for us. Alina, thank you.